5 essential things renters must know before buying a home. Are you tired of paying rent and dreaming of owning your own home? Before taking the leap into home ownership, there are some important things that every renter should know. In this video, we'll explore 5 crucial factors you need to consider before buying a home. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. First, this is KG. I'm a realtor with Fairfax Realtor in Greenbelt, where we help buyers and sellers achieve their real estate goal. So if you are looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate in the DMV area or any part of the union, let's connect. So together we can help you achieve your real estate goal. And do subscribe to the channel. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. So 5 essential things renters must know before buying a home. First, financial readiness. So buying a home is a significant financial commitment. It is crucial to evaluate your financial readiness before making this important decision. First, you want to check your credit score, because the higher your score, the better interest rate you get, and that equals to saving you more money. Request a copy of your credit report, review the reports and correct any errors. And if the credit score is low, below 640, then take steps to improve your credit score. So listen, I did another video on how to improve your credit score. Check it out. The second thing about financial readiness is saving for a down payment. It is essential because the more money you are bringing to the transaction, the better interest rate you get. So typically you should plan to save for up to 5% of the home price, and budgeting for your monthly expenses is also crucial in getting your financial straight. Having a clear understanding of overall costs associated with home ownership, it is essential. Second thing to consider is location and neighborhood. So the location of your future home plays a vital role in your lifestyle and investment. So buying a house is an investment. The factor you need to consider while choosing a location include proximity to work, schools, amenities, safety, and future development. Additionally, research different neighborhoods to make sure they align with your lifestyle and goal. It is essential to drive around different neighborhoods, talk to family and friends, and consider other neighborhoods to get insight into different neighborhoods. The third one is home inspection and repairs, right? So when you're buying a house, you also want to financially plan for home inspection, because home inspection is essential, especially if you are buying an existing home. It is essential if you are buying new home as well, because it will be able to detect some potential issue for the property. So it is important to budget to hire a professional home inspection. So when you hire a professional home inspection, require they provide you a checklist of area to look out for during the home inspection. Apart from this home inspection, you also want to understand the future renovation you may want to do, so that you can plan for additional costs of homeownership and maintenance. Number 4 is your mortgage option and pre-approval. So understanding your mortgage option and obtaining pre-approval is crucial process in home buying process, right? There are different types of mortgages. So finding out the different types of mortgages, talking to different lenders, talking to your friends and family to guide you through on the process. The lender will be able to guide you through. So knowing all these things will help you to navigate the mortgage landscape. The fifth essential thing to look for is your long-term planning and future goals. So before buying a house, it's very, very important to consider your long-term financial goals and your family lifestyle and the goals, to look at career stability, family planning, and potential for relocation, and the length of time you're going to stay in that home. So by assessing these aspects, you can make an informed decision that is it time to buy or just wait, so that you understand and be able to make an informed decision that the new home is going to align with your future aspiration. So now that you have the 5 crucial things every renter should know before buying a home, it is time to take the next step. Start by evaluating your finances, exploring neighborhood, research mortgage options. Remember, owning a home is an exciting journey, but it is very crucial to be well prepared. Very, very crucial to be well prepared. I hope I've given you some things to think about as a renter right now to move into home ownership. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you find this content insightful. Remember, I always say this, making the transition from renting a home to owning a home is a significant milestone. So be aware, take out these 5 factors and make informed decisions. Avoid potential pitfalls along the way. Remember, research, financial readiness, and long term. So good luck on your own buying journey to becoming a homeowner. It is exciting. If you have any question or need further guidance, definitely feel free to reach out to me. Drop me a comment and don't forget, subscribe to the channel. So this is KG. I'm a realtor in Fairfax, realtor in Greenbelt. We help buyers every day like you to buy their dream home and sellers to sell their houses. Reach out so that we can do the same for you in the DMV area or any part of the union. Ciao.